Today I'll be trying out the Dreametech L10s Ultra. This automatic AI-powered vacuum does it all. Let's check it out. Your vacuum will come with 2 mop heads, a brush head, an extra vacuum bag, and a multi-surface floor cleaner. It's equipped with an advanced AI-powered navigation system, which quickly learns and maps your entire home. The all-in-one docking station will clean your mop heads and empty your vacuum automatically. Setting up the vacuum is an easy process. Simply insert the mop heads and the brush head to the bottom of the unit. Both these attachments are durable and long-lasting, but you can purchase replacements if necessary. The Dreametech will automatically dock itself with the touch of a button, and it charges up quickly. Before operating the vacuum, make sure you fill the clean water tank. It's got a large capacity for easy maintenance. The multi-surface floor cleaner is inserted between the 2 water tanks. The cleaning base will automatically add water and soap to your vacuum. All you need to do is fill the clean water and empty the dirty water whenever it's full. The vacuum is cleaned after every session, but you can also clean it on command with the push of a button. The cleaning process empties the vacuum, washes the mop heads, and dries everything thoroughly. The Dreametech has an impressive cleaning performance. It's got 5,300 pascals of suction power, and the rubber brush design picks up hair, dirt, and other large debris. The rotary mop spins at over 180 RPMs and applies ample pressure to the floor for the best cleaning performance. This vacuum is great for any floor type. It automatically detects carpet and will raise and stop the spinning mops. I was highly impressed with the AI navigation system. It detects all the furniture in my home and cleans around it seamlessly. When the vacuum transitions from carpet to hardwood, the mops are engaged automatically. The L10s Ultra does it all. It can even clean in those hard to reach places. You can get the most out of your vacuum using the Dream Home app, which is available for both iOS and Android. The Dreametech is easy to set up in the app and will give you full control over all the amazing features. Once the vacuum is connected to your home's Wi-Fi, you can control it remotely using the mobile app or any smart assistant. The Dreametech has a built-in camera, which you can access using the app. You can see what it's cleaning in real time, and you can even control the robot, just like an RC car. This vacuum accurately maps your entire home. Once your home is mapped, you can select no-go zones or select which areas you want it to clean. In the app, you can manage the cleaning modes and even increase the suction power of the vacuum. You can also designate exactly which area you want the vacuum to clean. This app is full of amazing features. You can even schedule cleaning times and so much more. The app will also manage all the software updates for this vacuum. Let's put this vacuum to the test by tossing some large debris right in front of it. It picks it up with ease, and it senses what it left behind and comes right back for it. When the dirty water reservoir is full, simply empty it into the sink and replace it back into the cleaning station.